Gotta tell them nigga this is my year. Keep on playing, I'ma show your ass some fear. How your mama sitting down in hotel. Man, these niggas think I'm puffin' when I tell their ass I'm there. With my brother, man, you know I'm bound to win. Drinking on this juice, I call it be my gin. In the scat, clutching on the air fan. Man, we gotta spin to the motherfucking end. Pull up, gotta make it to the booth. She think I'm lying, man, I'm spitting number true. Fuck all these hoes, man, you know I love you. Taking you to the mall so I can't splurge you. I like to stop, but I really got a reason. Stack up my bread, cause they know this is my season. She throw a 3, man, I got a couple meetings. Man, I'm trying to feed my family, man, my life is what I'm achieving. Hey, man, you already know what the fuck going on. I had to stop for a little minute so I can catch my bro. But here we go, I'm about to come in part 2. Here we go, man. Better move when I pop up on the scene. They told me stop cause I'm coming into me. Nowadays, who the fuck is drinking late? All you do is smoke a blunt and break it in our spleen. Dropping money while it's all up on the floor. Stack your money up and then go buy a boat. I tell them niggas, man, you better get your hoe. Man, I got that bitch stripping at the motherfucking dope. Licking on her pussy like I am a lizard. Doing magic tricks like I am a wizard. You telling niggas I'm drinking that scissor, but telling me right now I really fucking miss her. Tell them niggas roll up the art pack. I'm in my gun house, breaking it all back. They wanna try me, so I told them spin back. When I got all of this candy, man, I don't want none of that thrack. I'm tired of all this shit, I'm tired of all this drama. I bought my house for my pretty baby mama. She moved that booty like a pretty damn drummer. I'ma tell them niggas, man, we pull up just like some thunder. Roll the hot pad, man, I got a blunt. I done popped out, man, he wanna run. Now on this beat, I'm about to have some fun. I walk his ass down with this big ass gun. Now they been right here, wanna give me head. Yes, baby, man, you heard what I said. Now my baby mama ain't seeing number red. I just wanna tell you bitches, she wanna see you all day. Let me tell you, youngin', what's up on my mind. All you do is sit there and get high. Drop all your pennies and go and get it done. That's that one female, you slash you right behind.
Yeah.